So see our shopping center, it be like desert. Place one people the many before, see as it be like just be like desert, just look, nobody. Everywhere is so empty. Everywhere is so empty, guys. Everywhere is so empty. Just look. All the windows are locked down. Just look, guys. Look, nobody. Nobody. Where there used to be a lot of people, you don't even see where to put your foot, you know. So now nobody. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my humble ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, my people, I just come this shopping center. I wanted to buy something, you know. So it has been a moment that this shopping center will be closed. But for me, I thought maybe everything was okay. But when I came, it's like a desert. Just look, all the shops are, all the windows, as you can see, they are all locked. So it has been a moment, guys. So it's only the shop there, it's only that is where you can find food stops. It's only that shop that is open. So you see this place that we used to come before, a lot of people, it's just like a desert now. Just look, just see yourself, it's like a desert. Everywhere is locked. Lockdown, coronavirus, or COVID-19. Just look, all the shops are locked. Just look, all the windows are shut down. Just look, even the place that we used to enjoy all those fresh, all those orange juice, any one of your choice that you choose, that we just press it for you, you just drink it everywhere. Everywhere is locked. Everywhere is locked. My God, I don't believe this is happening, but it's happening. So what can we do? It really takes grace, you know, to feel that nothing is going on, guys. So we don't know what is happening. Just look everywhere. Big shopping center that you cannot even, you will be looking for where to put your foot, you know, where to put your leg. But now it's locked. It's locked. Even where they sell all those hamburger, sandwich, you know, everywhere is locked. What is going on? What are those people now going to do for a living? Even where we used to buy, you know, those cheap jewelries, you know, those jewelry that you use one or twice, you just you throw them away. Look, everywhere is locked. Me that I like those jewelries now. You see, as you can even see, there is no jewelries in my ear today. We did not use. Everywhere is locked. Oh my God, what to do? Yeah. Even Mado is locked down. Look, this is where we used to buy our Madonna. Madonna is locked down. Oh my God. Look, everywhere is locked. Oh no, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Just look, a place that you will be coming, you will be looking for where to put your foot, you know? All along, guys. All along. Everywhere is locked. Everywhere is locked. Oh no. Everywhere is locked. It's like a desert, you know. After now a desert they be now. Yeah, when we say person go they find where to put leg now. See. Oh yeah. Oh no. Just look, all the windows are locked. Just look. You see? All the windows are locked. You see, all the windows, everything is locked. Just look. You see? Everywhere is locked. What are those people going to do for their... I see what I'm asking now. I don't know. It's so, for me, it's so touching, guys. It's so touching. It's so touching. It's so touching. It's so touching. Just look, all the windows are locked. What are those people going to be doing for their living now? What? Huh? What are they going to be doing for their living? What are they going to be doing for their living? Just look, everywhere is locked. Believe this happening? Me, you believe this? For it, believe me, I never knew that something like this can happen one day, but today it's happening. So it's happening. Be courage, guy. Be courage, because just be courage. Be courageous. I don't even know what to use anymore. Be courage. That is just only what I see in all this. Because people that used to make, anyway, you can make shopping online. I know, yeah, we all know. But what about the people that don't know, don't have the credit card? People that don't have the credit card to go and make shopping online, or people that don't even know how to do it. It's only the shopping center that is opening. So I will still go there. I will still go there. I will still go to share the shopping center. Just look up here, right away. Everywhere is just, everything is locked. Everything is locked. Everything is locked, guys. Everything is locked. Everywhere is locked. So now, now I think my child have to wait, because we can't do nothing. Everywhere is locked. All the shop is locked. It's only where they sell food stuff here that is opening, and they are not allowed. They are not allowed to sell what those shop that is locked. They are not allowed to sell things like that, because even the second lockdown it was like that. So there is a video that I made during that moment. So I'm going to put everything together right now to put everything in one video. Yeah, because that period when during the second lockdown, the thing that those people that locked down there was selling the shopping center was selling it, they said no, they have to cover those things, because it's not possible. How can you say the little shop should open, then the big shop open, the little shop should close, then the big shop open, and they are all selling the same thing? So they have no shutdown to cover those things then for the second lockdown. So this is the third lockdown now. It's the third time, guys. It's not, it really takes grace to really support what is going on, but we have no choice than to support. We have no choice, guys, than to support. This is happening. My God. Oh no. So this is a very, very big, that is the most, this place that I am now is the most biggest shopping center in all France. Is the most biggest shopping center that you can see now. Everywhere is locked. Everywhere is locked. Now what are they announcing? They are announcing it that you don't have to take away your mask. Even when you want to eat, when you want to do anything, you have to keep your mask. You don't have right to take off your mask, because this place now is like a very, I don't know, I can't use those words, you know. So because if I use some word now, I cannot post my video. So I have worked for it. I don't want my video to, excuse me for, you see this very place that I am, I cannot follow here, because this arrow tell me not to go. It tell me to it's when you are coming out. So me, I'm going, so I have to take my direction. As you can see now, I have to follow this arrow. You see, this is the one that I have right to follow. Oh my God. This is just the one that I have right to follow. It's like when you are driving, you know, you cannot drive, you have to be in your side. Now that's the way they put it now. Just look, everywhere is locked. All the windows are down, guys. So this is where I live. It's like this. I don't know about where you live. If where you live is still the same thing, I don't know. But it's also touching, guys. It's so touching. It's so touching. It's so touching to see the old shop just to lock down like this. They only open the shopping center. Yeah, that is the only shopping center that open is where you can make your, where you can buy your food stores, and they open it just only for food stores. Yeah, that is the only place that open. You see, That is just only the shopping center that open where you can go to buy your food, because if you cannot buy food, meaning you get as it be. So that is why I feel that is why that is why they open that place. So that is just only the place now that is open in all this big shop. That is just only the place that's allowed to open. It's just only the supermarket here, big supermarket. That is just only the place that, so that you can go and buy your food, you can eat. That is just only the place that's allowed to open. Okay guys, this video is going to be two, because there is another one that I made before. It's still today, and the other one that this very one that I show my face, the other one did not show my face. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe. God bless you as you do. So see you in my next video. Bye. Hello my people. So now see this place, so this one na shopping center. So because people for here, they know they let you know if you do anything just like that. So why they close all those places? Because say what they sell for here, they sell them for small shopping center when they lock, so the people not accept, so they have to close it so that you can't take anything from here. You see, so this one I can't really say you not feel do anything when you like. Even government, they not feel do anything when they like. When people say no, they not accept, they go listen to people. So they say listen to people, they'll still do what they want. You see, everything for here, and you don't feel take anything from here. You see, everything shut down. So they only open here now. We say the small shop, if they don't open before they go fit open this very place. See, you can't take anything here. And if you still say maybe you take something for here, you know, go if you reach where you want pay, they go tell you say no, this thing is not allowed to sell. Now see, so not be you not feel you do anything when you want that. They listen to everybody. So I just make see, because very soon now from maybe from 28th, so they go open, and I say make just use this opportunity as I did around, make just see video around. But this very place, you fit take anything when you want. You see, they're not closer. So you fit take anything when you want. But this very place here, you can't take anything. You see this very place, so now things na close, because since almost a month now, maybe say they do the lockdown. You know if you buy anything close, you see, and all those ones on like crochet, anything maybe say concern clothes, you see, and they just still close them. They close everything. You know if you buy, but things like this, if you buy all this one, I think something say you need. You see, but things like this, they close them. Just look, they close everything. See, they close everywhere. You see, for a moment now, you know if you buy clothes, you know if you buy anything underwear.